Good morning, student. Chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. Cancer. Cancer is one of the most dreaded disease in human being. Is a major cause death all over globe. More than millions Indians suffer from cancer. A large number of them die it's annually. The mechanism of underlying development of cancer. Cancer is a one type of oncogenic. Oncogenic means transformation of cells. Its treatment to the control have been most intense areas of research in biology and medicine. Next point. In our body, cell growth, differentiation is highly controlled and regulated in cancer cell. Means cancer is one of the most dreaded disease in human being for the major cause of death. In our body for cancer cell growth and differentiation is a highly controlled and regulated. Cancer cell there is a breakdown of the regulatory mechanism means normal cells infected from the cancer cell. This is a normal cell infected from the cancer cell. It is a death after. Normal cells show a property called contact inhibition by it, which contact with other cells inhibit the uncontrolled growth. Cancer have lost of this property. As a result of this, cancerous cells just continue to divide, giving rise to masses of cells from tumor. Mean one cell, mast cell. Mast cell is a two types, B cell and T cell. These normal cells infected for cancer means tumor. Tumor. Tumors are of two types. First, benign and second, malignant. Benign tumors are normally confined original location and do not spread to other parts of the body cause little damage. This is the main importance for benign tumors. Do not spread. But malignant tumors on the other hand of the profiling cell called neoplastic or tumor cell to the spread of the other parts of the body. These cells or grow very rapidly, invading, damaging of the surrounding normal tissue. As these cells actively divide and grow there, also stray for normal cell and by competing for vital nutrient. Cells slope from these tumors reach distant sites through the blood and wherever they get load in the body starts a new tumor there. This property is called metastasis. Metastasis is referred to property of malignant tumor. This is the main sentence of this cancer. In board, 2 marks question of causes of cancer, 3 marks question of cancer detection diagnosis and treatment of cancer. 2 marks. Clear? First, A. Causes of cancer. B. Cancer detection and diagnosis. And C. Treatment of cancer. First, what is causes of cancer? Transformation for normal cell into cancer cell. Transformation from the normal cells to the cancer cell. Neoplastic cell may be induced by physically, chemically or biological agent. These agents are transformed from these carcinogens. Carcinogens is a one type of cancerous cells. Ionizing radiation like X-ray, gamma rays and non-ionizing radiation like in NEET and Gujket MCQs. What is ionizing radiation? Ionizing radiation such as X-ray and gamma. And non-ionizing radiation like UV. UV means ultraviolet. Ultraviolet cause DNA damage, leading to neoplastic transformation. This chemical carcinogenic present for tobacco. Tobacco smoke have been identified as a major cause lung cancer. Tobacco it is a lung cancer. Cancer cause virus is called oncogenic virus, have genes called viral oncogenes. Further, several genes are cellular oncogenes, means C oncogenes. C oncogenes means C means cellular oncogenes or proto oncogenes, first and second, have been identified normal cells which, when activated under certain condition, could to lead to oncogenic transformation of the cells. Second topic discussed cancer detection and diagnosis. Many methods developed from this country. Early detection of cancerous is essential. It's also disease to be treated successfully in many cases. Cancer is a detection is based on first biopsy and histopathological study this tissue and blood. Biopsy first identify tissue, blood, and third bone marrow. Clear? Histopathological studies first tissue, second blood, and third bone marrow. Test. This is a test for biopsy. Next point, for increased cell counts, in this case for leukemia. Leukemia means it is a one type of cancer. Biopsy is a piece of suspected tissue cut into this section and stain examined under microscope. This is a histopathological study by pathologist. Techniques like X-ray. X-ray means radiography, CT, computed tomography, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging are very useful to detect cancer of the internal organs. Computed tomography uses X-ray to generate three-dimensional image, the internal and object. MRI uses strong magnetic fields and non-ionizing radiation accurately detect pathologically and physiologically changes in the living tissue. Antibodies against cancer-specific antigen are also used for detection of certain cancer cells. Techniques are used for molecular biology and can be applied to detect genes in individuals with the inheritome susceptibility to the certain cancers. It is a very harmful disease. Identification of such genes which predispose an individual to certain cancer may be very helpful in prevention to cancer, and such individuals may be advised to avoid exposure to the particular carcinogen which are susceptible, for example for tobacco. Tobacco smoke in case of lung cancer. MCQS is a tobacco smoke in case filling the blanks cancer, lung cancer. And last points, treatment of cancer. The common approach treatment of cancer: first surgery, second radiation, third therapy, and fourth immunotherapy. Four technologies are used for the treatment of cancer. In radiotherapy, tumor cells are irradiated lethally, taking proper care to the normal tissue and surrounding for the tumor mass. used for the radiotherapy. Several chemotherapeutic drugs are used for the kill cancer cells. Second technology used, chemotherapy. Some of these are specific for particular tumors and majority of drugs have side effects. Side effects drugs such as hair loss, anemia, etc. Most cancer are treated by combination of surgery, radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Three technologies are mostly used: surgery, radiotherapy or chemotherapy. Tumor cells have been shown avoid detection and destruction by immune system, and therefore the patient are given substance called biological response for modify alpha interferon, which activates their immune system and helps in destroying for tumor. This is mainly used for alpha interferon. Thank you, student.